and I didn't realize what took a toll on me. After finishing the shoot that same night, I was taking a flight to somewhere else for some other shoot. And I didn't realize that what the shoot had done, you know. There's a point in the series where the toilet is overflowing, and, you know, my brilliant co-actor who did such a fine job, Aditi, she was inside the toilet and she was cleaning it up. And I don't know, somehow Anubhav sir created this mahol. We could literally smell the stench. All that actually left a toll, and it took some time for me to get rid of the thoughts.
Wow, wow. It's been an intense series, but at the same time, there were so many moments where you almost felt as if you were living with these characters in there. Thank you so much, Kaptan Sahab, for leading this team so beautifully well. Each and every member of this cast has not only delivered an absolutely at par performance, but also there is something beyond which I don't think we can ever put it in words. Once again, thank you so much, my dear friends, my seniors, people who I love and respect a lot, for being here and for delivering such an amazing performance. And we will go towards the photo op right now. Unfortunately, we won't be taking up any questions, my dear friends.
जो भी सवाल आए हैं, क्या आप जो भी आरोप लग रहे हैं, चाहे नाम को लेकर, एक मिनट सर, मैं अनुभव सर को
जी ऑफ कोर्स,
क्योंकि लाइव चल रहा है इसलिए मैं जानना चाहता हूं, चाहे आईएसआई का जो एक्टिव रोल था उसको सही ढंग से पोर्ट्रे न करने को लेकर इन तमाम आरोप लगे, इसको आप क्या?
I'm extremely sorry sir, but unfortunately we've been given a clear direction towards this that we won't be able.
बात कर लीजिए
sir, would you
कौन आप लगा रहे हैं आरोप?
We can't be, unfortunately. No sir.
आज जब आईएनबी मिनिस्ट्री में बुलाया गया था तो क्यों बुलाया गया था?
That statement has been declared.
स्टेटमेंट जारी करना पड़ा, मैं इसके ऊपर बात कर रहा हूं, आपको दुकान देना पड़ा ना भाई।
अनुभव सर,
सवाल आपका है?
सब बीइंग अ जर्नलिस्ट था मेरा।
नहीं,
सब बीइंग अ जर्नलिस्ट मेरा।
नहीं, ये जो सवाल आपने पूछा,
हाँ,
क्या सब वो आप फिर आरोप बताइए।
नहीं, मेरा ये था, जितने भी चीजें चाहे आतंकवादियों के असली नाम को न बताना, और अब जब आईएनबी मिनिस्ट्री में गए तब उसको वापस से आपको करेक्ट करना पड़ा।
आपने सीरीज देखी है?
सर मैं आपसे
सीरीज देखी है?
मिनिस्ट्री में गए उसको लेके सवाल कर रहा हूं। मैं आईएनबी
सीरीज देखी है?
मैं आईएनबी मिनिस्ट्री की
सीरीज देखी है?
जो ऑफिशियली काम हो रहा है उस पे बात कर रहा हूं।
मैं बात नहीं कर सकता आपसे, आपने सीरीज ही नहीं देखी है।
Okay. Once again, thank you so much, my dear friends. And
आ गए होंगे, मतलब मेरे को बोलते
ये बेटा,
मैं तो जैसे हमारे गुरुजन हैं उन लोगों ने शिक्षा दी है कि स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ो, स्क्रिप्ट इज द बाइबल, मैं तो वही पढ़ता रहता हूँ और वही मेरा, बाकी लेयर आ गए, कैसे आ गए, कितने आ गए, वो छोड़ देता हूँ मैं।
जादू हो गया, हमें ना पूछो जादू कैसे हुआ। But yes, Vijay.
There are so many wonderful actors who are being discovered through OTT. Is also a fantastic thing.
Absolutely, a natural progression from cinema to OTT. But that's our same question to you too about Nazir sir.
I think I've heard such lovely, kind words from somebody I admire deeply, and I'm always when I'm working with him, there's a sixth sense within me which is always ready to learn, to see what he's up to, what new I can learn from him, because that's the kind of respect and sort of awe I hold him in. So he has said some beautiful words for me, and I'm going to relish them for the years that there are left for me. Thank you so much, Nasir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And we will continue to relish both of you, inshallah, for a long, long time to come. Thank you so much. Manoj sir, मैं वो negotiation.
That it's not a great space to be in, but मजा आ रहा था, you know. But coming back to the claustrophobia inside the flight, because there were like some 100-odd junior artists, there were crew people, it was the cabin crew people, plus the camera, plus the EDs. It was hard, but also I felt that the space really helped me. It did something to me, and I think I was there because of this piece.
That makes a lot of difference. I think किस किस्म का आप set बना कर रखते हैं, किस किस्म का माहौल बनाते हैं, and kudos to the director for doing that. I'd like to jump to Pooja, my dear friend once again. We've worked together too. Pooja, मैं जानता हूँ कि आपके scenes बहुत अलग shoot हो रहे थे, आप एक अलग दुनिया में थी. Maybe you didn't have the support of your co-actors. ये जितने stalwarts यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, I don't think you had this. कई बार होता है when you know a star batter is playing, another star batter is there, एक दूसरे से support में खेल जाते हैं. But you held your own in your own space. That one scene when you return back home and you find your husband's suitcase, unpacked suitcase over there. I think it was a very beautiful scene. And Pooja, all these years of what you've done, faced so many cameras, it showed, man.
Thank you so much, Mantra. It means a lot. As much as I would have absolutely loved to have been in the same, sharing the frame with all these wonderful actors, or at least be a fly on the wall when they were, doing their scenes. I was in fact really fortunate that even though I didn't have other co-actors, I had to my advantage the amount of research the Sanjay ji, Sarita ji, Trishant, Anwar sir, all of them and their team had done. I had that research, I had sir's interpretation or rather direction of where I was supposed to take that, and as an added advantage, so the real Captain Devi Sharan's real elder daughter's real younger daughter is playing my younger daughter.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Wow, that's a great insight.
So Devi Sharan ji ki beti ki beti is playing one of the daughters. Because of that, she was on set and I could have a conversation. I used to ask her, what was it like? Because she was older than I think she was, the daughter was 10 or 12 years old when this had happened. And I used to ask her, how was it like? How was it like to see your mother? And so I had all those advantages, and then in my preparation, I understood that this is a woman who is a symbol of a vulnerability, but also strength. As much as, she's worried about what is going to happen to her husband and everybody on that flight, but she was also the source of strength for people around her, especially her daughters. So yeah, that was my understanding.
I'm glad, Pooja. Thank you for that insight. And in fact, Sarita ji, Sanjay ji, I'd like, she mentioned about how the insights you brought in. I'd like to talk about the casting, which has been, of course, the stalwarts who have been sitting over here, but Rajiv Thakur to be playing Chief Sahab. And by the way, Rajiv Thakur has sent a lot of love Anubhav bhai aapke liye, and he was the first guy. He's a very old friend. हमने बहुत साल साथ काम किया है. He was the first person I called at the end of the series, and I said, Thakur साहब, यार दिल खुश कर देता है यार. To see, and another thing which I told him is that he's made the fraternity so proud. Generally, people are always like, अरे stand-up comedy, अरे comic या comic, कितनी जल्दी categorize कर देते हैं यहाँ पर. But Thakur साहब is an actor. अमृतसर में जिन्होंने रंगमंच कर के इतना समय बिताया, इनफैक्ट कपिल पाजी भारती उनके थिएटर देखने जाते थे. And he's been there to cast him in those roles. To see Manoj ji do the negotiator. I mean, of course, Manoj sir has such a wide range, but it's the casting that works so brilliantly. What kind of thought process that went into it?
So I think any department is a collaborative effort, and the same thing happened here. But it was, of course, led by Mr. Anubhav Sinha. This whole cast came together so beautifully just because of him.
Anu sir, in fact, coming to you with the same question, tales that I've viewed, and clearly the skill set to write such a series is something that not everybody possesses. How did you develop that?
Thank you. I would rather give it to the amount of research that we did on the show. I mean, writing screenplay is possibly the last step.
Nice.
There is so much that
very humble of you, sir.
Before that. So the research, the meetings, the meeting everybody, and then sort of trying to crack a story. So it was a whole process that took 5 years.
Wow, it is. I'm going to come back to you and ask you about how many different layers, kitne sare tracks chal rahe the, and to be able to bring them all together is absolutely remarkable. So well done on that.
उधर से
99 ना,
100 आ जाएगा
if everybody over here who was around during 1999 कोई 2000 plus की पैदाइश हो तो पता नहीं, but I'm sure most of us are old enough over here who were there when it was happening. Nasir साहब, I was in 99 when this incident was happening. मैं इसी होटल में bellboy था. I mean ताज रेसिडेंसी एक होटल के अंदर, and मेरा काम था newspapers बांटना लोगों के rooms के नीचे, one of those things. And I remember that morning, that newspaper, the headlines and the entire country and everybody was completely engrossed in it. Do you remember 99 when this incident was happening, when you were doing this series? Did it come to you from memory? Because you've seen a lot, and did that actual incident play in your head?
I can't say that I was about 50 when this happened, end of the previous century. I remember being extremely disturbed because I feared that it would provoke another wave of Islamophobia. And, luckily, at that time, it didn't. But I remember feeling terribly concerned about the situation and what it would lead to. And there was a feeling of ambivalence at the end when the whole crisis was resolved. Because I was left with a feeling of unease when the deal was struck. I could not pinpoint why I feel this, but I did feel that the passengers and the pilot had been through an absolutely horrifying time, and this was no closure. This is what I remember feeling. While playing it, of course, I've never been in a crisis management meeting or anywhere near any of these things. But what appealed to me was the thought of playing with all these wonderful actors. It just seemed like being in heaven to be with 7-8 actors who you love and admire. I can't think of any happier situation than that. So I don't think I recalled any of what I felt at that time.
But heavenly for us also, sir, to see all of you together. Thank you for actually deciding to do this. Pankaj sir, thank you for deciding to do this, because I heard that initially, was there a chance, was there a time जब आपने सोचा था कि नहीं, this series is not going to happen, but then you became a part of it?
उसका समझी होगा
See, I would say that I am somebody who goes through the
पंकज
entire
कपूर का
script.
समझी है उससे लड़की
And
के साथ इसका लड़की
because
के साथ
Anubhav told me that it's about
है ना,
200
मनोज?
pages, and I was short on time, so I wondered whether I'll be able to go through those 200 pages before I address the character that is being offered to me. But with God's grace, I managed to go through them, and I was really
Probably the only one who did.
But I was really impressed with the writing. I felt it was a very taut screenplay and very well written script, which is why I wanted to be a part of it. And in any case, I have a kind of soft corner for this gentleman. I've worked in a couple of films with him earlier. Even otherwise, he's like a younger brother to me. So once he offered me, he was half apologetic about it. Once I read the screenplay, I thought it was a very good series to be a part of. That's how I landed over there. And then I got to know that these are the actors who are going to be part of it. It was really, as Nasir Saab said, that was a pleasure to be among all of them.
Absolutely, absolutely. अनुभव सर, आपको सौरभ गांगुली वाली फीलिंग नहीं आई कभी, जिनकी टीम में सचिन, द्रविड़, सहवाग, VVS, जहीर खान सब भरे पड़े हैं? Almost, because this is just amazing. I haven't seen a project like this before.
Actually, when we were finishing casting, it didn't feel like. Once the poster came out, then even to me it looked like. So in the room, I had these 9 or 10 fantastic actors, and I had to. So you're dealing with targets. You have to finish X number of scenes every day, and then you have to, and they're all different kinds of. इनकी preparations अलग है. So all that energy, and it was something very organic that was going on, and I just was a fly on the wall, and I was just watching them, and बीच में वो fly उड़ के जाती थी, एक कैमरा लगा के आ जाती थी, फिर दूसरा कैमरा लगा के आ जाती थी, and it was like I was telling somebody the other day, I was this child in the room who was catching butterflies, and they were flying all around me. It's probably the most memorable experience of 31 years of directing, those 6 days. It was outstanding.
That's a statement. Out of such a long career that you have had, Anubhav, to be actually saying that, it's remarkable. And of course, why not? You've got such amazing stalwarts with you. And आपके बड़े अच्छे मित्र हैं मनोज भाई. मनोज सर मैं आपके पास आना चाहूँगा.
बिल्कुल मित्र.
मनोज सर एक से एक 30 मार्क जब साथ में आते हैं तो या तो प्रेशर इजी हो जाता है या दुगना हो जाता है. अब आप एक तो परिचित हैं सबसे अच्छे से, इतने सालों से आप इनसे के साथ काम करते आ रहे हैं. वॉज इट इजियर या उल्टा दुगना पड़ गया था प्रेशर?
नहीं, प्रेशर तो बढ़ ही जाता है, क्योंकि जब ऐसे एक्टर्स साथ में हो तो डांट खाने